Hello friends, let's take a look at the most powerful and most popular model BMW M5 Body G90. Now the car is actively tested on the road and we can already see some exterior details. Based on this I have made renders and you can already imagine how it will be. And you can write in the comments if you like the new design of BMW M5. For the first time a new M5 will get a hybrid drivetrain, a 4.4 liter V8 with a 748 horsepower electric motor. According to the latest information, premier BMW M5 will be in 2024 and the car will go on sale in 2025. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next videos.